flash out now.
This is Chima Ibokwe on set, and this is a night scene my team and I shot in a valley somewhere in FCT, Abuja, Nigeria. This was exactly midnight, and we had to choose this time because it would give us the tranquility. That's the silence we need to shoot the scene, without distractions from the community where we were shooting the scene. Safety is very, very important when you are shooting at night. Just be sure there are no reptiles. Don't do this if you don't have security people on ground. So we made arrangements for the community vigilantes to come and join us. When it comes to shooting a night scene, be sure of the lens you are going to be shooting with, because if you shoot with the wrong lens, you may just have a lot of bad results and visual noises here and there.
Don't give him this way. If you give him this way, before you raise it back, him don't grab up.
So first I have to rehearse. Rehearsal is very, very important for me. I had to rehearse with the actors, go back and forth with it until they perfected the dialogues and the moves I had to do with it.
Step one.
Yes, then you put on your lights, add some haze to create that perfect night moonlight effect. But do not forget to do your settings properly. Change your white balance to something cold.
So just endure one.
Like here is my shoulder bones I'm looking at.
More rehearsals, more preparations before we roll, and immediately we were ready to roll, we had to find a way to control the fire, because the fire has to increase gradually. It's not something that we just have to go boom.
Now allow this fireworks to action.
Okay, so shot by shot, frame by frame, I was picking the things I needed from the scene. You need to be sure of what you need. At this point, what matters most is what you are capturing in the frame line. That is what matters most. So you need to be sure of where the action lies for you, who is directing the scene. So take a look at some part of what we got.